super hard, especially because you only earn very little. And maybe you want to become your own boss now. Maybe you want to make more money than a typical 9-to-5 job. So you want to earn in a much simpler way. And to be honest with you, I thought this method wasn't real at first. I was very skeptical about it. But then when I finally tried it, I was just left in awe. Think about how much money you could be making online every single day. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you how much you can make in an hour. How you can make over $400 every single hour. So if you guys want to know how to do it, then make sure you type in www. What's up, everybody, and welcome back to the Money Shark channel. We post new and exciting money making videos every single day, so make sure that you like this video and subscribe to our YouTube channel if you haven't already, and make sure to hit that notification bell to be notified every time we have a new video up, so you can be the first to know and try it out. It's super duper free. It's worldwide available. You don't need any complicated devices. You just need a phone and an internet connection and you're good to go. And you also don't need any skills, no prior experience. This is a one for all for one method. You guys are gonna absolutely love it, and I know you guys are just dying to know, so let's jump right into it. So the first app that I want to show you guys is called AdWallet, and AdWallet is a get paid app that rewards you to watch ads and take part in other tasks. So AdWallet's primary source of income is advertising that they put on the app. So I want you to go onto their website. This is the website, okay? And then you're going to log in to see all of the available ads that you can watch. But if you don't have an account, then just easily sign up for free on their websites to be able to access the ads. So if you already have an account, you can go ahead and sign in, see all of the available ads that you can watch. It's free, it's simple, it's worldwide available. So wherever you are, whatever you're doing, you can enjoy AdWallet and earn money. So as soon as you're logged in, AdWallet is going to send you a text message with a link to be able to watch the ad whenever one is available for you to watch. And if you give them your mobile number, you can click on the link and watch the ad. Now, the following few questions that are asked mostly or frequently, so that you can demonstrate that you are paying attention to the advertisement that you're seeing. After you've finished the short questionnaire, the few questions that I mentioned, you're going to be paid 50 cents. This is the set payment you're going to receive for every single advertisement you use, regardless of how long it plays or how short it plays. Now, if the advertisement is going to ask you to take further tasks like sharing on Facebook or retweeting on Twitter, you can also use this to increase your earnings. You can also earn money by referring other people to use AdWallet. As soon as the person you've invited signs up for the website, you can receive $1. And now that you know how the referral program actually works, you're probably thinking how to pay out your profits. Now, here's something that you should know. There's a $10 minimum requirement before you can cash out your payments, which means you need $10 first. You need to earn $10 first, build that $10 up, and then you can finally cash it out. Although it feels like something not super fun to know about, not a really nice fact about AdWallet, AdWallet pays you big. The more tasks you make, the more money you can earn, which means and entails that $10 is very easy to reach, and that is why that is the minimum requirement. But after you reach the minimum amount, you can choose to withdraw your earnings via direct bank transfer or convert them into gift cards like Amazon or Target. If you guys want to know how to make even more money online, over $1,000 every single day, make sure you check out the description box down below. I have a little secret gift for you guys there that you're going to absolutely love. Make sure you check the description box down below to know how you're going to be able to make more money. And I want you guys to first let me know in the comments down below if you have any video content ideas for us in case there are videos that you want to see in particular. Let us also know what devices you use, if you are an Android user or an iOS user. And while you're at it, comment where you're from because I enjoy reading your comments and you know I'll try to respond to all of them. So let's head back. Now, Moving on to the next app on our list, which is Cash Karma. Cash Karma is a website where you're going to be able to earn points to answer online surveys and other small tasks. It's available for both Android and iOS devices, and it has over 1 million downloads. It has a rating of 4.3 out of 5 in the Google Play Store, which is enough evidence that this platform is absolutely amazing. Now, the main source of income on Cash Karma is to earn points by completing different surveys, the same as AdWallet. You can also get points by signing up on offers, watching videos, and earning location rewards. Now, just like the last app, you can also make money by referring your friends to use the app. Now, Cash Karma is a free app that can be downloaded on both Android and iOS devices. Now, before you can actually start earning points, you have to sign up for a free account first and create a username and password. Now, if you're using Cash Karma on iOS, you have to be able to track information for fraud prevention and to track rewards, so you know that this app is legit, okay? Because you can enable this option. Now, the first time that you log in, you're going to receive 300 points for completely free. You can browse service immediately on the home screen and earn up to 200 points just by doing so. Now, the upper left corner of the website, it will show you the total number of points that you've earned, and you can also earn through promotions. So these provide more points, usually 400 up to 600 points, but typically require a combination of longer surveys and sometimes installing a specific app and then writing a review for that app. The platform also offers what is known as rewards level, okay? So this allows it to reward regular users with higher point benefits. All you have to do in progress is keep using the app regularly, of course, and the cash out option for Cash Karma lets you exchange your Karma points for gift cards or PayPal cash. And the minimum withdrawal amount for PayPal payments is $20, so this is much bigger, which is equal to 13,500 Karma points. Now, you may choose from over 50 retailers, including Amazon, Starbucks, Walmart, and others. They also have other gift cards like those for Amazon, iTunes, Google Play, and Starbucks, and for a minimum of 11,000 Karma points for every $20 worth of gift cards. The next app I'm going to be showing you is called Get Paid To, and you can join and create an account for completely free on this platform by clicking the Join Free Today button on the Get Paid To page right here, and then it's going to take you to another page where you're going to enter in all of the information that they're asking of you. Don't worry about access restrictions. It's available worldwide. And then once you've completed that, you created an account, you're going to notice on the homepage that there are so many game options to choose from, and you can make as much as $2 to $3 per game, which is amazing. Some games will pay you more money while others will pay you less. If you guys are loving this video, make sure that you like and subscribe because it really helps the channel. Also, please don't be shy to comment down below if you're loving our video so far. And if there are any changes that you'd like to see, make sure that you comment that down below too, because we will definitely read them and take note of them. Anyways, let's finish up today's video, shall we? So, as of right now, the highest paying game is called Football Tricks, so you have to check that out. If you want to play other games, you can do that and still make money in another way. You can also earn points by participating in other surveys. There are so many high paying surveys available. When you complete one of them, you're going to get the promise reward, which you can see when you view all of the available surveys. And there are so many ways to cash out as well. You can use direct bank transfers, Skrill, or PayPal, or exchange your points for Amazon gift cards. And the number of points required to redeem a reward just depends on the reward that you choose. So let's say direct bank transfers or PayPal withdrawals. You're going to need 25,000 points, which is equal to $10. And for other reward categories, you're just going to need 5,000 points to get $1. And if you mix and switch between these three methods, you're going to be able to earn so much money, up to $300, up to $1,000. Using just one of them is simple. Using all three of them is amazing. And that is pretty much everything. If there's nothing else, then thank you guys so much for watching today's video. We finally hit 60,000 subscribers. Thank you guys so much for all of your support. And our next goal is 70,000, so make sure that you like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you won't miss a single video, because it would be a total bummer if you missed anything at all. We hope you guys enjoyed today's video. We can't wait to make more, and we will see you in the next one. Have a great rest of the week.